Suchi Mohan Tripura, the IPFT candidate for the 27 Mohiripur Buratari constituency, officially launched his TD-ADC election campaign on Monday. The day began with a religious invocation as the candidate offered prayers to the goddess, seeking blessings before hitting the campaign trail.
Atisha long live, long live, long live. Atisha long live, long live, long live. IWFT long live, long live, long live. IWFT long live, long live, long live. Final edition Songwriter Satas Budu Kendra Sosumati Kubai Kai Nine. Final edition Songwriter Satas Budu Kendra Patina Sosumati Kubai Kai Nine.
Following the prayers, Suchi Mohan Tripura conducted an extensive door-to-door drive in the constituency. He was accompanied by senior leaders, including Kholadon Tripura, chairman of the Sachin RD Block BSC.
Tani hamba jeng kini nogwi leyoi. Emon je borogni je demand nukha je ana sago je phainai ADC 5 bosor khaika government khaika. O jaga jo ADC government mahabo khaigia mani rasta krei tei krei karin krei khai sago do. Unke ang saka जों तो आईपीएफटी सरकारनो एक बार नायदि 5 बছর नायदि 5 বছর नायला जों आईपीएफटी जों नंनि जे डिमान्ड सक्सेस खायनाय हिसाबै समर्थन जे हारे आनो समर्थन माने जनगण जे आनो जे उत्साह माने नों तागलाय काप्लाय अंनाय नै उत्साह उता
100% निश्चित नों माने कप्लाय
100% आप्लायनाय निश्चित
Reporter Bikram from Santi Bazar, Chini Khwarang.